Hi everyone, this is Susie. I picked up this beautiful pineapple at the grocery store because I wanted to plant the top. Takes a few years to get pineapples, but the foliage will look pretty in the meantime and make a nice house plant. I was inspired by Jason from Top of the Palm, his channel. I'll link it below. He has some videos on pineapples and he does carnival rides. Check them out. So I'll be showing different sections on how I cut the pineapple and get ready to plant it. It's got beautiful foliage. I cut the pineapple top off. Now you want to make sure it gets some sun so it'll dry out quickly. And once this dries out, I'll be back to show you how I pot it. It's time to plant the pineapple top. This is the one I had at the beginning of the video. I replanted that one. Let it dry out for about a week. And someone else gave me another pineapple top. And this one is dried out now, so I can plant this one. I just put it in the dirt right here. And I always use Miracle Grow. I've been using that for years. It seems to do the trick. So we're going to put dirt in here. Got a little bit of dirt down here. Nice, beautiful, sunny day. Out in my back porch, that's why you can hear the cars and things going on out here. Cover this pretty well and then give it plenty of water. Let it dry out somewhat between waterings. Took about a week and a few days for it to dry out. I had it in the sun. The other one did pretty good. And I'll keep adding more dirt to this. And water this well. And I'll probably put this in my den in a sunny window for now. Both of them. You hear the birds chirping. They're enjoying the sunny weather. These will be fun. Okay, that's my pineapple top. You can see some of my container gardening out there I'm still working on. All kinds of noise out today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.